This video tutorial I will explain viruses and malware. Malware means malicious software. It is any program made to harm your computer or steal your information or spy on you. A virus is a type of malware that can spread from one computer to another computer and cause problems, just like a real virus spreads between the people. Now we will see different types of malware. First one is virus. A virus attaches itself to files or programs. It spreads when you open those files. It can delete data, slow down your computer, or make it crash. Second one is worm. A worm spreads on its own without needing you to click anything. It can spread to other computers in your network. Third one is trojan. A trojan pretends to be a safe program like a game or file. Once opened, it can steal your information or give control to hackers. Fourth one is spyware. Spyware secretly watches what you do on your computer. It can steal your passwords, credit card information, or personal data. Fifth one is ransomware. Ransomware lock your files and ask you to pay money to unlock them. How do viruses and malware enter your computer? Clicking unsafe links or ads, opening file attachments from unknown senders, downloading free software or games from untrusted websites, using infected USB drives, visiting unsafe or fake websites. Signs your computer may be infected. First point is slow performance. Computer becomes very slow. Second point is unwanted advertisements, unexpected pop-up ads. Third point is file problems. Files disappear or won't open. Fourth point is browser changes. Your browser changes on its own. Fifth point is ransom demands. You see messages asking for money. How to protect your computer? Use antivirus software and keep it updated. Do not open emails or links from people you don't know. Download apps and programs only from the trusted websites. Keep your operating system and software updated. Backup your important files regularly. What to do if you think you have a malware? Disconnect from internet. Run a full antivirus scan. Delete suspicious programs. If needed, ask a computer expert for help. Now we will see the summary. Malware is a harmful software that can damage your computer or steal your data. Viruses are one kind of malware that spreads from one file to another file. You can stay safe by being careful online and using good antivirus protection. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.